everybody, 425 family. How y'all doing out there today? I just came to make a little short video with y'all. We're gonna fix us some chicken salad. I got a rotisserie chicken. We're gonna cut this up and get it in the bowl, and we're gonna get some things that happening up in here. I already done chopped up the veggies of choice that I'm gonna use. I got some celery, some fine chopped celery, some fine chopped white onion, some fine chopped red onion, and some fine chopped bell pepper. And those are the veggies of choice that I'll be using. And so we're gonna push a little stuff around, and we're gonna get this meat chopped up. Put this over here to the side for a minute. Get us a little mat. And get us meat chopped up, y'all. Get our bowl right here. Let's see how we're gonna do this, y'all. And this a lemon pepper rotisserie chicken, y'all. I don't think it matter what flavor. I mean, dang, what you got going on down in there? Alrighty, we're gonna cut right here through the center of this breast. Well, now I'm gonna cut the legs off. Put this back in the bag. Got a little mess going, y'all. That's fine. Get our little bones and stuff out of here. And get this meat chopped up fine. And we're gonna get us a little chicken salad to go on. I don't even think y'all, I ain't gonna even use my skin. Now you can use your skin if you want to, but let me take my skin off. Yeah, I like the way that is, just like that. Just bone. Okay, with some meat right there. Get all the little meat off of there. And I think this should make us a fine chicken salad. Let me get this out of our way. This little skin off of here. Got another grease gel from the meat being in the fridge, y'all. Yeah, that ought to do it. Let me get my hands washed up and chop that up. Alrighty. Let's get us some meat chopped up, y'all. Ran into the bone under the breastplate. I don't want no bones in it. No bone, no gristle. All right, I think that ought to do it. Put that in there either. Yeah. See, it looks like I see another piece of gristle, yeah. And here we go. Another piece of gristle. I want no gristle. Yeah, let's get this chopped up. Now you can shred it if you like. You can cut it in chunks. You know, whichever way you want to do it. I'm just kind of cutting mine in fine chunks. I shred it. You can do it whichever way you want. I think I'm gonna be a chunky girl today. Chunky girl. My son called and he's like, "Mama, what you cooking today?" I'm thinking to myself, I ain't supposed to be cooking. And I was like, yeah, you know what? I'm gonna do some pork chops. And I was like, no, I had my mind set on some chicken salad today. And he was like, yep, I want a bowl. I'm like, alrighty. My daughter, she live in Louisiana. My grandbaby, he back down there in Louisiana with his mom. But anyway, my son, he's supposed to be getting ready to go out of town on his job. He said he's gonna be gone for about 3 years and stuff. So my little eating buddies will be out. I guess unless, of course, I jump on a trip to go see them and eat with them. Sure, they'll be having me doing the cooking. Yep, that's all you got to do. Just take this chicken, chop it up. Have your veggies already cut and everything. Or go in the order that you want, whichever way you want to do it. But I decided I'd go ahead and have my veggies chopped up. A little messy job, but somebody's got to do it. How y'all doing out there today? What y'all eating on? Y'all might decide to put y'all a chicken salad together. Look like we're finna get some rain, y'all. Like I said, that bad weather coming in. About to get real cold. And that ought to do it. We got us some fine chopped meat. We're gonna put this together, y'all. Let me move this out of our way. Sit that right there. Let me see some. Just a minute, y'all. Wash this area up. And alrighty. There we go. I'm gonna be using some Duke's sandwich relish, some Miracle Whip, some classic yellow mustard, some Martin salt. Then I got some onion powder, some garlic powder, and some black pepper. And this is what we're doing right now. I'm gonna take my little scooper. I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna give me one good gulp of that. And I'm gonna go in over here and get a good gulp. I'm gonna take 2 gulps of this. So I put in 2 scoops of Duke sandwich relish. Set that to the side. I think I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna go in and give this a Miracle Whip another scoop, y'all. And I think that ought to do it for that. That should be more than enough. Get over here to the side. And then we're gonna go in and we're gonna go in and do just I'm gonna say probably about a teaspoon or a half a teaspoon of this French's mustard. Yeah, teaspoon ought to do it. We're gonna get this a stir, y'all. Kind of fold it. See how rough I was popping it out? We're gonna go in and we're gonna add our veggies. So we got our celery in, we got our red onion, we got our white onion, and we got our green pepper, bell pepper. Set that to the side. We're gonna get this a little fold. Get it all folded in, nice and neat. So pretty, y'all. We're gonna go in with some of this black pepper. Oh yeah. It's going down, y'all. It's about to go down. A little salt. We're gonna put some onion powder. Nothing but flavor. Nothing but flavor. We're gonna go in with a little garlic powder. Y'all, hold on just a second. To loosen it up, I think I'm gonna go in with a little bit more Miracle Whip. I say another little scoop. Fold in good. Get all that season all the way through. I'm glad I didn't shred it. This about shredded itself and it still got a few chunks in it, so that's fine, just like this. Let's get this a taste, y'all. See what we working with. I think we on to something, y'all. Y'all know what? I thought I was gonna need a little sugar. Just right. Don't need no sugar. So right here, y'all, I got some grapes. You can chop grapes up and put you some in there, or you can have them on the side. I got a little scoop of raisins. You can put you some raisins down in it, or either you can just eat them from the side. And I got some crushed walnuts. I chopped them up fine, and you can put that in if you like. And over here, I also got some eggs. I boiled 3 eggs and chopped it up and stuff. But I think I just lay it on the sandwich and stuff, and versus putting it off inside. You can put it. You can chop it up fine. You can put that inside. But I felt like I didn't want the egg in there, just in case I want another sandwich. And I get funny about that sometimes. But anyway, I didn't chop the egg up inside of it and stuff, and just lay your egg on the sandwich. You know, if you like eggs. And so moving on, we're gonna push this to the side, y'all. What y'all think about it? Yep, I think it turned out pretty good. We're gonna make us a sandwich. Got a little piece of meat going right here, huh? All right, we're gonna get our little griddle out over here. We're gonna turn this baby on and we're gonna butter it. And right here, I got some Wonder Buns, and we're gonna lay us some little buns on there. So make us a sandwich. Butter. Some Land O'Lakes butter. And get our buns. Get us a little of this Miracle Whip down up on there. Gonna slap that baby down just like that. What you got yourself right there is something fancy. Quick and fancy. Something quick and fancy. All right, y'all, gonna let that brown. We're gonna get our little plate to going. Get us some chips on there. We need some sour cream and onion chips, some Ruffles. Wash your hands. I'm gonna even put us a few of these grapes right here, y'all, and get the full effect. Nice and golden. I'm gonna push this baby right over here to the side, right on up out of our way. We gonna go in with us a scoop. I'm gonna sit this right there. I'm gonna get some egg whites. One egg with the yolk on it. And I think I'm gonna go in, y'all, and get some of this walnut and even get a little fancier. Sprinkle just a little dab of that, a little dab of do me. Guess I'll stick me a raisin up there. Now, like I said, you can already have that incorporated and folded in. And got yourself a nice little bite right there. I'll go right on in there and cut that for y'all. What y'all think? Mm. 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 It's good. Y'all go ahead and try it. Mm-hmm. Taste a little bite with this chip. Make you dance. Oh, come on and get you some. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. My daughter gonna be so mad when she see this. She been wanting me to make her some chicken salad for the bone. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, 425 family. I love y'all. Come back again and join me in these festivities. I love having y'all. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. Get this last bite with me. Out of here.